Understanding Collision Alert, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, collision alert. This term is used in various contexts, and understanding its meaning is crucial for both safety and comprehension in certain situations. Let's dive in. Collision alert is a phrase used to warn of an imminent collision or crash. This warning can be issued in various situations, such as while driving, flying, or operating machinery. It is a crucial safety term that requires immediate attention and action to prevent accidents. 2.1 In vehicles. In cars, trucks, or buses, a collision alert might be a sound, a visual signal, or a combination of both, indicating that a collision is likely if action isn't taken. It's often part of a vehicle's safety system. 2.2 In aviation. In aircraft, a collision alert is a critical warning from the collision avoidance system, signaling pilots to take immediate evasive action to avoid an in-air collision. 2.3 In maritime navigation. On ships and boats, a collision alert might come from radar systems or other navigational aids, warning of nearby vessels or obstacles. Responding to a collision alert varies depending on the context, but the general principle is to take immediate and appropriate action to avoid a collision. This might mean braking or steering away in a vehicle, or changing course or altitude in an aircraft. For non-native English speakers, understanding this phrase is essential, especially for those working in transportation or traveling in English-speaking countries. It's not just about language proficiency, but also about safety and awareness in potentially hazardous situations. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and importance of collision alert. Remember, understanding such phrases is key to both your language learning journey and your safety. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more insightful language learning videos.